Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my design team package that arrived in the mail the other day, and these are some things that I picked out that I thought would be super fun for us to work with for the next few months for design team stuff. So I'm just going to kind of show you the stamp sets that I picked up. This one is called You Make Me Happy, and I thought this would be a super cute stamp set to do for like teacher appreciation or just to make some cute little cards to put in your kids' lunch boxes. Great for scrapbook layouts, some really cute cards. I've got a few ideas, so I think you guys will really like this one. Next, we've got, this is called Jump for Joy, and this is a great scene building set that I really love, and I have somebody in my family that absolutely loves frogs, so I can't wait to make some cards out of this, but I think this one's going to be super cute. Next up, we've got the owl, let me see, I think this is called Owlton and Olivia, and this one's going to be a great one for graduation, and I'm going to mix this up with another stamp set that I already have. I already have ideas for this. It's going to be awesome. I also picked up the Flower Market 6x6 paper pad by Cartabella, and I got the fishtail banner, the Stitch fishtail banner Gina Marie dies. I picked those up because I want to use those on the next project that we're going to be doing. I also got my art glitter glue, which I've been waiting for this, and just a FYI, if you love that stuff, you need to keep it, you need to order it before it gets cold because they won't ship it when it's cold. So this is what we're going to be doing for our first design team project. We're going to make some recipe cards because I'm going to be doing a huge heirloom recipe book, and this is the paper pack that I'm going to be using, and I'm not sure. You might want to get a hold of Mimi and see if she has this in stock in the store, but if she doesn't, it's readily available. This is by Cartabella. It's called Country Kitchen. It's an older set, but it's definitely still popular and out there and easy to find. What I did was I bought the digital pack. So it comes with the ephemera and all of the papers. You can see where my ink kind of ran out because I actually printed these off at home, which you can do. So you can see I got quite a bit that I printed off from my home printer. And then these ones, just to show you, I went over to the local printing shop and I brought my file over and I had them print me out all of these as well on that same 65-pound smooth white cardstock. So those are 5x5, the small ones, and the other ones are 8x8. And then I also used my printer and my silhouette, and this is the ephemera pack that it came with, and I just went crazy. I mean, there's so many of these pieces of ephemera, but these are going to be awesome for decorating our heirloom recipe book. On my blog, I'm just going to kind of run through these and let you know. On my blog, I'm going to list below this video here the link to the page where there is a tutorial to make this book that I'm going to show you right here. This is just the basic book. Super easy to make. It's just kind of an easy tutorial just to get you through. And if you want to make the heirloom book and get ahead of the game so that we can do it together, don't make the inserts. Just make this part of the book right here. Leave the inserts out because I have other ideas for the pages that we're going to do. We're going to be making some, I think they're called signatures, and they go and we're going to attach them to each page, and that's where all the flips are going to be, and the waterfall pages and the recipe cards are going to sit. I've got a whole plan for this book, but you don't need those inserts. So the paper that you would normally cut up that goes for the pockets and the flaps that are in the tutorial, you just skip that part. Just make the basic book itself, and all the supplies are listed, and it's a downloadable tutorial, and this is a great tutorial that you can use for all kinds of different books. I've used this several times. As a matter of fact, the most recent one I used this for was the embellishment book that I just posted the other day. So you definitely can use that book tutorial for lots of different things. So anyway, so keep an eye out for that. The recipe book will be starting next week, and yeah, that's it. Just a quick little hello, and just to let you know what's coming up. And yeah, thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.